selber nochmal. Was soll das denn tun? Was ist das denn noch? Kann ja gar nicht funktionieren. Ah, was hab ich gesagt?
Ja, bin ich drin oder was?
Weil Dienstag ist er, deswegen habe ich heute früh nicht rausgestellt, das ist mir dann wieder aufgefallen. Das haben wir viele nicht gemacht, ne? Ja, das muss ich halt sagen. Nicht so beleidigen, als würde ich nie was rausstellen. Ich stelle zu 99% alles raus. Kommt hier an, weißt du, wie geschossen, Alter. Die hält mich für vollkommen verblödend oder so, Alter. Es ging ja nicht darum, Alter. Ich wusste ja, ich habe ja vergessen, dass Karfreitag ja auch kein Arbeitstag ist. Ich rede immer von Freitag, dass wir dann Isolierung fertig bringen und so ein Schmarrn. CarX, how's going? Is online or not? No. There's no CarX online shit. YouTube. Blame. Ja, ist Part². Autotausch. Richard. MAT. Nico. Jo! 6 Bier habe ich heute gehabt. Gestern waren es 5 Bier bis am Abend hin. 122,2. 21,5 glaube ich, oder? 5, genau. Schauen wir mal, ob morgen das Bier kommt oder am Samstag. Alright. Hello. So, komm mal. Ohio gozaimasu. Welcome back to CarX Part 2, Part 306. Tonight is Tuesday, but actually it's Wednesday. I'm so sorry about actually the garbage can. See what's going on tonight. Just chilling out actually on my master account after DefRekka account just died actually for 1.5 years. So we're using DjVolgin account right now. Enjoy a bit around. Trying actually right now to listening. Oh, hold on. It's actually not music. Just keep it going. Here we go. Let's see where my cell phone are. There we go. Blah blah. Here we there. Oh, I totally forgot something. Oh, I was doing that. Oh. L2O.
Hello all.
Why is Action Day that controller going a bit here on the option button? Yeah, it is a bit. So I'm going a little bit to pee. Be right back. We're on the 5th minute here right now when I'm coming back. Oh, everything's set up. Only the food is missing. Well, tonight. Oh, well, whatever. Who needs food if you have lousy work to do, right? Seriously. There's already laundry done as well. Here we go. So, drücken. Ja, nochmal drücken. Ich komme vor wie beim Scheißen gerade. War sogar feit noch. So das T-Shirt. Oh, Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag wäre schon fertig. Mein Body. Ab in den Trockner. Nochmal checken. Frei. Rein damit. Check this out. Arigato. Can I pee right now? Oh. So now they're dealing around a little with this offline style, and then I'm going online maybe. Doesn't matter. Offline makes more fun. Online is kind of, can be asshole or can be not asshole like, you know, it pisses you off or not. And sometimes actually offline as well, but you get more points, more XPs, and more credit. As driving around an hour long actually online, you can do the same actually in an hour. Consistent, of course, on the offline mode, and you actually sometimes you get double points on XP, especially because you can change your car whenever you want and change the track whenever you want. No. So online makes no fun, and these kind of consistence of no track changing you can do, but you have to be alone or with your partner, with your friend or something else. And the other one is car changing is fucking seriously up. You have to go outside, go inside with the new car. Some people are not there anymore. The best way is actually to play offline. Alright, what we got in here? Need self this crack, need music. Go. Oh, dude. Yeah, it's just actually 3 days. Just gone. It's because sometimes at Saturday, Sunday there was no live stream actually. There was at Saturday, I think, some live stream, yeah, but not CarX. So I didn't drink Saturday and Sunday, Monday. So today's Tuesday, and I want to drink a bit. At the Friday we have actually free because Eastern. Get Monday the same next week. It's gonna be a smoky and alcoholic weekend, definitely. Oh man, my fingernails are grown up. Shit. Shit. Real bull crap. Some L-arginine, since actually a month not that taken. Mixed with beer, of course. The most deadly potion. Oh, is it cold? That's a lot of snot today. Getting the plaster away. Just color actually the wall black. It's kind of against actually the water coming in and out. Oh, but it's actually preparing something like that makes it not coming out and in. It's kind of tarmac stuff, you know. Well, it comes tomorrow, or maybe in 2 days. Let's see what the weather's conditions saying. It's Thursday. What the hell? Brekkies. Little tequila. Tequila. Good morning, sunshine. Got a mag and not through the bed down below. Hui, 5 kan köra. Det ligger putsna. Hoi Rika. Vet du som ikke You don't drill. Then don't drill. So we starting with that one. Yesterday I was saying actually we're making a walk or something like with noodles, chicken, vegetables. It may actually happen that I'm eating today in the night time as well with it. So I eat it yesterday, going to sleep at 10 o'clock, was waking up at 2 o'clock eating the rest of the walk. Pancake stuff, shit, and just in the morning time I was saying, what the fuck, you just eat a lot. 3 portions actually. From actually 3 people can eat, you know. Well, it was fantastic. So I'm not sure what I want to do tonight. Gabarimasu. Yeah, we call like ice, right? Finish Lom am Start. 6 and a 7 and a 6 and a 8 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 6 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 4. Fantastic. Yeah, in the end it was a little complicated, I know, sorry for that one. So let's link actually this stuff with Facebook. Social. Hello. Was it Yonder? Or was it those Weekend? Ich bin im falschen Account. Hier we go. Wie konnte das denn passieren? Nie passiert. Wahrscheinlich hängen geblieben. So, I say colors in here. Mostly the KI and II actually, they, I don't know what to say with that. So many actually using AI and KI actually on making an account on Facebook, right? This is so not okay. I hate stuff like that. And it makes no sense anymore. Can be every second good picture looking, can be fake, right? That is not okay. Shouldn't make too much around. She's up campaign, що ви собі сколько раз next stream. Atron A 20k. See what's going on. Can we deal down again? Or what is it? That's bullshit, yo. Doubt. Oh, excuse me.頑張ります。 I couldn't do? I don't know. Okay. Woher sollen die das wissen? It's just the music in the background that fascinated me. I'm so sorry for that one. No. Next. Honey? A bit lazy, yeah. Appeared on the fourth day. The other construction worker actually told me that he was coming home at 12 o'clock. He came home actually 1.5 hour later. I was sitting down actually an hour long and I thought actually, hey, they're coming home at least maybe in an hour or something. Didn't recognize they're already home. Fucking hell. So I was waiting actually for the other construction worker. He was done then with the work in the compound. Then I asked him for want to drink a beer maybe with me. I'm begging since a week all again, you know, trying and saying want to drink it in the afternoon actually beer with me. He say no, maybe next day, no, and today especially no, because tomorrow he's actually traveling to Poland for 1.5 weeks. The boss is not there, the right hand of the boss is not there. Sometimes we're calling or just making pictures, then to see what's going on the construction side. Everything's fine as. Trying to organize a little while in here for the other construction workers or whatever and stuff, and art and material. That's fun. Maybe. But I'd not get paid for that, that's the other part. Alright, 1 round, and then we're changing cars. Oh, no way. Okay, heart says no way. We have a little thing to do in here. Alright. That's easy. Nah, well, not today. Normally I do the night side and stuff. Hey, not today. That randomizing again. Stupid, goddammit. Oh hell, tequila. Honey? There we go. 4 likes. Just a playlist what I'm listening for right now. The definition's CarX D.R.O Drift Racing Online 2023. If you want, jam in. Got Spotify.
URL.
In touch. There's some music button here as well. Never watch about these emojis. I'm not the emoji guy normally. Or maybe sometimes it's funny or tearing. Okay then. That's the music stuff. Yes, down below. Activities. No. Music is no activity. Okay. That's weird. No objective. Oh, come on, that takes forever. What's coming up next? Symbols. Let's tucked it up. Not even find music button anywhere in here. Symbol. Nope. Ah. SSA. Not the symbol guy. Oh man, my neck hurts right now. Ja, 頑張ります。Nice one. Close to the double sign. Close to double points, better say. Sorry. My English. 18k and an 800 free ride versus 3k and an 896. Huh? Hold on. That was weird. I was completely playing the wrong song on the playlist. Oops. See what the car has in mind. Gosh, Milton Drive. Try to beat actually 22.5 instead of 17. Okay. Look at that, that stupid AMG looks a little bit weird though. That means the DjVolgin account. 13 years played actually with DjVolgin account on PlayStation Network. Yeah, 1.5 year gone. Now DjVolgin and Nation CB. Nearby Need for Speed Takeshi's Auto as well. Ah, Sternhagel dich, Bro. Das heißt natürlich nicht so. Klaro. Hier ist Campagna Schwabi Salut, Gold, Brösen, die next spielen. Brust. Ah, guck schon mal das R nicht mehr ausreden. Hup, hup. Pakok. Ah. 1 centimeter of cigarette. I can't play. So, how was your work day today? Whoever is watching here right now. Mine was actually fine as. Bit sweating. A lot of dust that just was eaten. Get the mortar down actually. The electric sledgehammer. Gamarimasu. Very empty. Shimmering on my screen. PS4 Pro gets old. So many big updates in this game here. Done at 22.5. Let's see. Oh, we didn't. Shit. Yeah, the car is different to the other one. It's a V8 as well. I put it in. It's a massive weighty car. Well, I tried it. Mostly better say we actually always are fighting on that Pacific Hills. Pacific Hills. Or Hills? San Francisco actually bought a 70k. For every car. Fine as result. Next. Oh, looks a little rushy in here. Be advised. Don't command on a drift and not stream out when they're on drifting. What when they're on drifting? Okay. Makes sense. Like, you're not you're not talking actually to a bus driver when he's driving. You should not actually doing. Get confused. Some can deal, some cannot deal. I have a little trouble by talking. And meanwhile actually doing drifting or something. That's why I don't have a driver license. Alright, one round left. We're going somewhere else. Are you kidding me? Let's get a 25 in here. What's the record? 26. Okay, let's get a 27 then. Crack. I'll be right back. Need to go to pee. Grabbing some beer. Hey Snooky. So home. What's going on tonight? Well, I'm not sure what I want to eat. Did my laundry, clean myself, clean the household, clean the apartment, clean actually everything in here. Prepare for tomorrow and for the other day. Get proof of what I just did today. The other people, so what the hell? I'm cool, I'm good. Alcohol, right? Makes you lazy. Because I'm a young time, alcohol makes me fit and hyperactive. Now it's the opposite side, and then you know you're going down, and maybe with 45 I'm already dead. Maybe went to a baby again, and with 50 I'm dying. I'm not sure. Or maybe this or next year I'm just dying. Some kind of afflict in my healthiness. If you're living alone and being a single, it's always a little corrupt playing in your life. Nobody sees what I'm doing. I'm just a ghost. And then the people are just saying, yeah, you're sitting down and drinking beer and drifting or something, this crack. Same time I don't know. I'm not wasting my life, right? I'm actually wasting my life. Should stop smoking my cigarettes, beer drinking, going to the muscle Larry shit. Because I've grown up in the farmerhood and all this stuff. But I don't care. Nobody cares. I was very muscleful actually until 22, and I stopped then because no girl attraction, all this stuff. Was very shy. It's very sporty. Who cares? Since actually 8 years, I was actually a good mountain bike cycler. Since my 6th year and or 5th year actually, but I don't care anymore. Because nobody cares on me as well, so shrink, 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 shrink. A little party boy down below. You just want to do something in here? Dealing down with the toilet? I giving him the toilet seat, actually some water. Come on. Activating the blotter. It takes all the times a little while. I think I'm getting old. You ready to fall off or something? Hello. Focus, concentration. I'm not even doing. No, it runs by itself. Yep, I'm definitely getting older. I think it's the tequila all the times. When I'm drinking high alcohol or something, it takes so long. And it feels like I need to actually want to pee actually 2 liters. But in the end, it is just a handful of pee. that's the high alcohol stuff. Oh, I forgot the beer. And now, man, my short thinking. Where the heck I am. Ah, it must have gone here. Must be laundry. Hand wash. In the dryer. The babes in the calendar just going up and down, up and down. Boops in the bus go up. I'm sorry for that one. That's so fucked up. Poops in the bus go up and down. And that's Meet Your Mother, right? I'm sorry, that I just captured it up for more than actually 8 years ago. And I thought all the time, it's a movie all that's coming into my brain. Most of my brain actually, the movie's coming. I'm trying to speak it out, trying seriously in English, German. It's very funny. Sometimes I'm laughing, but no times actually I'm very mad or something, then I'm laughing, but actually having another stuff in mind. What the hell was that? That's a good one. The Matrix. Tadaimasu. Cheers up, Kampaner Schwabe, so du Gold Präsentation spielen. Könnte. Vámonos. Happen? I think this is 14k instead of 40k. I was drunk or something this time. I didn't give a fuck because it's crack. What happened here? What happened? Good reflexes. Oh, super, eh? Never tested that car very hard out since a half year or something. Let's see his problems. Because there's actually no DefRekkaゆにちいろYamamoto D symbol actually on in the back. Excuse me. Come in the side. That's the first problem. It's not even fitting right. I can't read it. It's the same one, right? So what the Wanderer dealing then? Sneak snack. Alright, just smoking a bit in here, and actually something is taking over. It's the D-pad. Okay, Carmen Road. Daylight. She's up. Wann hat Julian Geburtstag? Ne, der andere meine ich. Der Hermann. Julian. Oh, da wurde eine Krautmann Geburtstag. Oh, Gottes Willen. Julian Krautmann, 8. April. Ich wusste es doch im April. Oh, Alter. Da war damals Karfreitag. Jetzt ist Karfreitag eigentlich am, was haben wir? Am 29. 11 Tage später. Okay. 9 Tage. 9 Tage? 10 Tage. 10 Tage später. Okay. Na, 9 Tage. 10? 11 Tage später. Habe ich doch recht gehabt. Faszinierend. Heute ist ja der 26. Ne? Da war letztes Jahr Sonntag. Alter, da war Sonntag, wo wir Dienstag haben. Das sind diese 2 Tage, die abgehen, ja. Krass. Und am 8. wo wir anfangen, ist eigentlich Samstag gewesen letztes Jahr. Dann kommt Sonntag, Ostermontag. Da steht noch was. Irgendwie Sophie, aber wer war das nochmal? Ah, ich weiß schon, wer das ist. Der Stiefbruder, die Freundin, ne, von meiner Halbschwester, glaube ich, oder? Ah, mir nochmal nachlesen. Ich glaube, die Nummer habe ich schon gar nicht mehr. Am 8. Ich dachte am 11. oder so. Ah ja, doch gar nicht mal so schlecht geschätzt. Am 8. April, okay. Tja, jetzt ja am denselben Tag. Da war es Sonntag. Okay, krass. Komprimas. Have a nice time. Oh my gosh. Doing it again. Some points, come on! Just checkpoints without points. This is not fair. There was 3 checkpoints without points. And normally I do a 30k, but with this car I'm not sure. Maybe a 25, 26. But then maybe, yeah, 30, 31, 30, okay. 3 checkpoints missing. Nice vehicle. V8 fits somehow with this vehicle. Definitely. That I don't want to have it. Oh, I paid for everything with that anyway. Okay, that's why. Heist, eh? Vi gick in lite hårdare först och så får lite som denkt någon från. Så kan man annars få lite ljus och huska att this next stream is Smirnoff 10 times filtered. I give a fuck. It is not. Oh, taste, goddammit. Sell it. You know, every car is different, and that car especially is longer than actually the AMG 63. The point is, I think I just did a little bit things wrong, because the AMG 63 just was get street tires on. That vehicle has actually drift tires on. So, and it has also actually kind of 200 horses actually less. So let's see, drift tires or not? No, street tires, okay. But it has 200 horses actually lesser than actually the AMG 63. At least that's what we were playing for. Huh. Well, everything's well actually, I like it. Smooth coming in, a little bit fast, but half the problems, I think it is the inch actually in here. What's going on in here? Oh, but that's all. It's a fast car, 281 km/h, okay. What takes its time? Yeah, I like it. Let's go online with it. Just for fun. Persons and blah blah. See what's going on in here. Oh, getting cold in here. Oh hell. Was it 6 degrees in the morning time? And it was still actually 10 o'clock. Weird. Wrong jacket. I'm so sorry. No, that's the right jacket. 19 o'clock and actually 41. Oh, 19 o'clock, 31, right? 30. So I'm going to pee, be right back. Nope, not yet. Oh, that's my car. Oh, hello. Using my... Okay. Not now. Need to go to the toilet. Be right back. Matta. Need to go to pee. Oh, what's wrong with you? Why are you jamming? It says Tanketleeren. Oh, really? Oh, nicht schon wieder, Alter. Ich glaube, das selbstgemachte Scheiß ist. Geht das wieder los? Ah, fuck. Ah, wenn er jetzt wieder tanken lernt, sagt er, ist die Waschmaschine, der Trockner schon wieder im Arsch. Muss ich schon wieder nachrüsten. Oh. Was war das nochmal? Flutensieb? Ja, scheiße, weiß ich schon immer. Fuck. Ernsthaft? Das Flutensieb. Ja, das ist bloß der Flutensieb, ne? Ja, irgendwie so, aber da war da hinten so ein Beamer. Wenn der nass wird. Ja, muss ich wieder alles aneinander bauen. Hat auch seine Jahre hinter sich. Er macht auf jeden Fall erstmal. So, boys in the hood, what's going on? Ah, hell. Panamera. Tadaima. my dryer is taking a little, nap. It means I have to do a little bit doing deal done with tomorrow. I think something is wrong with these kind of dust or something behind the filter and behind actually the machine, not the filter itself, but the dust. I was actually empty the water tank and there was not much water in there. Oh hell, something's going on again after half year. Oh, that's fucked up. Well, I just want the deal done actually with the Friday. Okay, it's still running. Alright, something dealing done with water supply in the dryer, laundry dryer. That's good. So it's not starting up to burn. Tjus op campagna så hvis jeg så du skal prøve sådan next stream. Oh shit, komplett daneben. New cigarette. What's up, the boys in the hood in here? First up, I just wanna come on, get away. Oh, what's up, working? Ouch. Oh, come on, Slappy. Don't be so slappy. I'm so low. What are they doing? Just drilling around? Holy shit. Yeah. 2 rounds. Boom. Nope, I'm gone. Thank you very much. Just was a test run. And just a 1.7. Oh well, it was actually 12 minutes. 1,700. Was not so bad. It was fun actually, the Germans. Nice one. Tequila! Oye hombre, need some tequila hot? My mister, guy of a mark. Oh my god, on the shoulders landing! Hey, celebrating! Nitro the bad. Oh, come on! Fuck! Was süß hat er gesagt? Gescheite Sützen! Gibt's noch von der Schulter, oder? Alter. Cobra! Some American muscle. Excuse me. We have actually a little bit rusty brakes. A 368 kilometer per hour, holy crack. Where the hell do you want to go? See a little bit around. Ka-ching! 65 on, right? Ah, neat. Forgot my fingernails. I totally forgot that in my shower today. Oh, that looks so ugly. Well, I still have a chance. Yay! It's still soft. Be right back. Sorry for that one. And the laundry is still running. Okay, I don't know what it was. But I know it because a year ago I just cleaned it actually in the back with the dust the first time after 11 years. And I was actually handling again. Alright, let's clip the fingernails because I feel so ugly for that one. There we go, number 1. Oh! I was actually cleaning my laundry in the same time I was showering. So I totally forgot actually clipping my fingernails. Not actually clipping, cutting my fingernails. Number 2. Number 3. Oh, this one's a complicated actually one. It's a construction finger. Number 4. Now get over here. Get over here! Get over here! I can't speak it right now. It's about BMF Road. Next hand. Actually not soft anymore. We try it out. Fucking excavation stuff. There we go. Number 7. Number 8 is come. Oh, not so thin. I hate to be actually right-handed and just cutting left-handed, my right-handed hand. There we go. Number 9. Where the fingernails are going here right now? Oh my god, everywhere. This one here. Easy now. Easy. Okay. And we... Alright. But a hard ride already. Where are you? There we go. Heute habe ich mir die One überhaupt ausgeputzt heute. Ich glaube, selbst das habe ich hier vergessen. So. Nummer 2. So ein lausiger Motherfucker. Nummer 3. Just give me 1 minute, I'm back in the game. Oh, my blotter already say, let's go to P as well. Hurry up. Number 4. Rip. 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 Ist die härtere Seite? Oh, no wonder. Ich habe mir früher so dermaßen Mühe gegeben mit den Fingernägeln. Und die Weiber haben auch nicht drauf geschaut. Der Körper wichtiger, die Nägels wichtiger. Jetzt ist ja alles Mögliche, muss ja weiblich sein und was ist nicht alles Scheiße, Alter. Deswegen habe ich aufgegeben. Das ist alles Bullshit zur Zeit. Nächste Hand. Viertletzter. Come on. Here we go. It's been so nice to be a construction worker and having shitty fingernails, shitty fingers, shitty body system, shitty tooth, shitty hairs, all this stuff. To left. There we go. The last one. Oh, I should cut it. Cleaning. Arigato. Oh, that's a brush, mate. Alright. Done. Now peeing. Yippee! The foot nails all, since every month I have to cut them. Nothing very grown fast. The fingernails, if I take L-arginine every 1 time in a week, every 4 days I have to cut them. If I'm not taking L-arginine every week. Weird. L-arginine is crazy. For fingernails, repairing the flesh or something. That's actually something else in word. The Haut. It actually gives you a little bit growing on your hairs. Doesn't matter where. But L-arginine is always good actually for the muscles. Better say actually for the bones. Between bone and bone, you know. But sometimes I'm not taking them. Normally I take them every 2 days. But the last time I was taking them every month once. Well, that's worse. Addicted to alcohol more. Here we go, manicure. Oh yay! The dryer is going to finalize. Oh, it's done! Are you done? Oh, it is done. The dryer is done. Alright, there was some mistake on me. Dryer's done. Changing the filter, water supply. Here we go. Single life, eh? See, there was not any more dust in here anymore. I squeezed it very well today in the shower. And a t-shirt. 3 times a pack of socks. And 4 underwears. One's done. Still the laundry is done. Can't believe it. A little mistake, okay? Number 2 in here. Arigato domo. Now already completely actually waiting for myself what I want to do to deal done with the food tonight. And I'm not even sure. Some pizza, some noodles, some vegetables, only salad. I am not sure. Tadaimasu. Chisapka pine strawberry solution, so this got present next stream. Look at that fingernails. Sweet. Nice. Didn't know they're growing so fast the last time. Somebody watching anyway? I don't think so. Oh man, some tissue. Oh. The dust coming out. Gambarimasu. Yeah, that's music. Oh shit. The light was irritating me. I'm like sometimes a mob. unconcentrated actually at the beginning. I forgot S&Is. A bit. If you wanna deal some actually with a like, maybe just actually subscribing a bit, you can do. Thank you very much by the way then. Könnte ich mir nochmal die Pfeile haben, weil die Fingernägel ist noch ein bisschen, wie soll ich sagen, Fingernagel weiß. Oh, Mr. Construction Worker. Habe ich echt meine Ohren heute nicht sauber gemacht? Alter, was war los? Oh, der tut da rum, Alter, wie auf chinesischen Stäbchen. Der spät. Oh mein Gott. Look over. Here we go. There we go again. Was ich noch? So eine Ohrstöpsel. Reiniger. So. Nothing I don't wanna know. Bitte fein für den Ladies ausschauen. Für die Bauherrin. Jede Woche eine andere. Sind wir froh drum. Manicure on my fingernails, I'm sorry for that one. I'm not actually hyped enough for them. Also a little bit of habit to use on a perfection or something, but I don't like something here and there. It makes me mad. I think I'm not the only one for that one with the fingernails. Other ones are just biting them off. I don't care. I don't want. There's always enough food on the farmer hood. Oh. If you want to have the playlist on this game, hold on, I have something I just found out on YouTube. That is... I just got it again. Why should I stick that? Like, come on. It still was there. Are you kidding me? Where is it again? Jackson. Where the fuck I just stacked that? Oh, close. Social? No. Here we go. No, got it. Why is it in here? Ah, it has to be in the live stream. There we go. Okay. That makes sense.
D.R.O. OST URL. OST on CarX Drift Racing Online.
Ist schwierig. Ist schwierig. Ah, Tinder. Egal. Braucht keine Freundin. Was ich brauche, ist ein Grab. Schon wieder PvP. Na. What the hell? Thanks for liking, thanks for watching. Hold on. Right back. Wo geht das Ding hingetan? Ach da. Mei. Dann nehme ich gleich die Unterhosen an damit. So, da, jetzt, da, so kleiner. Meine Hände sind da so schunden. Das einzige. Einmal. Zweimal. Dreimal. Oh, das ist immer dieselbe Farbe, ne? Stehe anscheinend drauf. Blau-weiß. Oh, könnte das schlecht sein. Ja. So was aber. Mutter. Schaut ja gut aus. Immer dieser Stress. Wodka, Cola, nee, nur Wodka. The point is, if you're just drinking actually vodka, Smirnoff, tequila, actually something else like these American branches with cola, it's too much. Like whiskey or something, you know, or Jim Beam. It's too much because there's so much cola in there then, and you're dripping in with a kind of a 25% of actually these, let's see, tequila or something. Something else. There's a high produce actually for the sugar into too much, you know, in the body system. Why? The worst is, I think, rum, right? Has already sugar and massive in there. Talking about filtering, my nose has some dinkle in there. Good thanks about the plastering on the walls. Dusty old from 1973. I heard it yesterday actually about my... What that person, he was actually saying when that, you know, wall was coming together and all this stuff, house was building. Not sure, but actually this third layer of the plastering, it was actually maybe 16 or 17 years old. A lot of phosphor in there. Ruby Ubi. Alright, beer up. Cheers up, campana, strawberry salute, so let's go next beam. We're well in Springs now, 21 of 16 until actually 22k. What happened? Missed some corner? Written? Sure. Let's see what's going on. Gambarimasu. Nighttime. Laundry gone. Cold. Laundry gone. 800 points. You have the knowledge. I have these, you know, photo lights in here. Watching in the nighttime always directly to the photo light, covered it up with the cap. But it needs actually about my bony companion in here, or companions in here, to show you it in the side why actually, you know, the picture in here, or what it's actually the screen. Sometimes I'm not seeing that because I'm watching into that stupid photo light, and I'm watching then at the big screen and I'm seeing, oh crack, and then it's all over. It's just drifting. It's not precision driving, you know. It's more like trying to be precision drifting and stuff like this shit. Let's see what's going on in here. In the dark, I hope so, covered room that I don't have right now. Sorry. I need to drink my beer off. Crack happens, young as night. 8 o'clock and 12 PM. Still a Tuesday. Bottom Mars. Travel out. The Moonstone. German, maybe say slang. 50 GT. Oh, that was a whole closeness. 10 centimeters or less. Somebody at 50k, but we got already with 2 fails a 41k, the 486 XT, and he was going to actually the laundry about the car. Already feels rusted at 650 from 19, I don't know, 92 something. So much in this game from 2017 actually. I want to move some, you know, rubber band in the engine. My mistake for that shit. Didn't watch. It's over 20 years, the same front light, right? You can block it if you use it. Bonkin Jr. as well. Weird. I love muscle cars. So smoothie. 20% actually power back if you need it. The exotic cars from European, well, we counted Asian as well a little bit, and you know. The Japanese cars idling actually around, like World Rally Championship cars for rally, but well. Muscle cars are normally produced by long term for driving, 3,000 kilometers or something. But very powerful, it becomes to be a drifting. Oh, normally should be in the rally very good as well, but it is laggy. Like in here, let me see. I'll spare myself off of this one. Let's do another vlog in here. Are you kidding me? I feel that done with actually in night time. 11.7? No way. Let's be that 70k. Come on, I want to change actually Spotify so I'm using in here. Bass-O-Matic is awesome today. What's the cat saying? Definitions LS, Livestream. Just ripping into like techno dubstep or something. Here's a playlist for that for myself. Enjoy.
URL THX for watching.
Smirnov, here we go. Choose up. Na zdrowie. So 10 times filtered, it was vodka. 5 times? Ganbarimasu. Ganbatte. Oh, we have to change something about this dude in here. Hold on. Sound device. Hello? Okay, that's better. Another broadcast. The dude don't feel so good. Advanced setting. Camera reset. Hyping him a little bit up, eh? Ooh, he looks cruel. Why? Must be the chroma key. I'm not sure about that one. No, this is so fun as this is fucked up. Oh, he looks louder than before. What's going on in here? Is it dusty or something? Let's see the camera. Crying, whining. Oh, that's better. Like that. Oh, I can't change it. That's weird. Crying loud. Okay, that's better. Oh, weird. Be right back. Either gonna pee and grab me some 2 beers. Mata mata. Can I decide for my food tonight? Well, there is a lot. Even some eggs that are already cooked up. And what I myself is just doing, pizza time. Okay. Mortadella. Maybe some tuna. Let's see. What we have in here. Pizza. That. D.R.O. Oh, that's good. Italiano. That's cool. Alright, so it's pizza night. There's some vegetables on it as well. Nice one. Young time, young night. Old guy. Old game, old music. Old bones. I feel so fucked up. That's why I don't want to care about a girlfriend anymore. Actually, I am. I want to have someone to cuddle. Of course, a girlfriend. Not a lady boy or something this crack. That's a construction worker that was actually working for us, and he was actually some kind of intern about. I'm more like a lady boy like now. I was saying, what the fuck is going on? It's half gay and it's half actually normal. I'm not sure about that anymore. I watched that stuff. I was saying, okay, they're really looking realistic stuff. But now the AI, KI is just wankish so much stuff. You do not know that this is actually a girl or a male. So it's gonna be harder to deal done with love, war, and, you know, working. I better pay, you know, I just want to stay in my singleness. Hold on, I need to get actually something out of here. Get this one. That one. In the oven, there's another one. Sorry for the loudness. And done. Okay, there's piece of 1 and piece of done dealing. Preheating. Oh yeah, wow. That's a nice pizza. I'm not sure what call it. Frutamare or something. There's the mozzarella. No, come on. Oh my god. Of course, something falls down the floor. Here we go. Long at least in there. Preheated. And done. And now we're waiting for half hour. I have an oven right now that broke for 2 years ago. Only have actually a heat for up below. So it's normally actually down and up below. Now I only have actually the Uber done. Right. So half hour and I'm turning them. Tadaimasu, by the way. Just up campaign, that's what we do, so let's go to the next stream. Not yours, yeah. And away. Das können wir was entfernen, weil das ist so langweilig. Also verpiss dich. Ah, man. 20 o'clock and 25. 8 o'clock and 25 p.m. Tuesday in Germany. Nobody cares anyway. How many live streamers already have in CarX D.R.O? Tonight on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and 8. Where the hell I am? Yay! Number 3. 2 watchers. The other one have 1 watcher on Twitch, 2 watchers on Twitch, and 3 watchers on Twitch. And I have on YouTube 2 watchers. Congratulations! Nobody is actually doing something on YouTube anymore. You got this one done with this Kick, right? Kick.com. A totally assassination of money, you know, grabbing crack from dealers from Las Vegas, I think. From one of Las Vegas, I just trying to do a deal done with a live stream stuff called Kick.com. I tried it out. Totally fucked up, mate. I thought actually they can deal it done since a half year now. Better than Twitch. Fuck it. I'm not dealing done with Twitch anymore on live stream if I have YouTube. If I don't have YouTube because I have some bannings, I'm dealing done Twitch. But, you know, sometimes, you know, I'm talking very much over actually countries and confliction and religion, and it's not okay. YouTube don't like it. In real life, I'm actually not racism or something. I'm the best example to not in Bavaria, Germany, not to be a racist. I just sometimes I hate persons, groups or something, how they're acting, but that's all. If I'm dying for that stuff, I have no problem because my family don't care about if I'm dead or not dead. I helped them a long time out, they don't care anymore. Just like slaves, you know, slave masters or something, they handle me. Not my uncle and my grandmother, but the other part, dealing done with me. Be actually from the father side, I'm be actually a slave only for them. Like right now actually on my construction side, I'm just only a slave, they don't pay me for that stuff. I'm a good person, but you know, they don't care. Well, I know already the end. Tschüss, hab Kampagne schon, so let's go next game. Tadaimasu, by the way. It's always best to don't have friends. They don't care anyway on you. Not as a time age anymore. Komarimasu. Wunderbar. Nice run. Revenge. Die kennt mir einfach zu wenig. Das ist auch besser so. Das Einzige was ist, es staubt nicht mehr so in der Anlage, ja, hahaha. Aber die Anlage hat sehr viel Power zum tun. Wo ich bei euch angefangen habe, da habe ich auch noch Power gehabt, jetzt bin ich nicht mehr so powerful. Die Anlage muss jetzt das machen, was ich nicht durchgemacht habe. Das war jetzt auf gut Deutsch jetzt gegenwärtig. Das wird schnell umschlagen, das nicht mehr funktioniert über den Sommer. So heißt der Brummer ist unser Supergast. Koppelstapel, ich kann es nicht einmal mehr reinschieben. Komarimasu. 4 Minuten alles dauert, oder? Ey.
Let's see what's going on here with the pizzas. Let's change them. Die können ja nicht mal kochen, weißt du, wie ich meine? Lass noch lieber liefern oder so eine Scheiße. Was Geburten, Alter. Für uns können sie das Geld nicht mehr bringen. Sehen jetzt, dass wir draufzahlen, weil wir es nicht besser können oder so. Also Scheiß. Selber können sie gar nichts. Wissen nicht mal, was eine Matteneisen ist, wissen ja nicht mal, was ein BVT ist, wissen ja nicht mal, was überhaupt Bitume bedeutet, was überhaupt nicht mehr wissen, was Mauertrockenlegung heißt. MTL R, sagen sie jetzt dazu. Ach, komm ja mal auf. Sollen sie es selber machen. Mitschicken. Genau. Einfach sagen, hey, kommt mal mit. Und meine Zigarette ist verschwunden. Und dann schickst du einfach mit und sagst, hoppala, das sind nicht die Platten. Ja. Die quatschen im Büro einfach so viel. Die wissen doch gar nichts, Alter. Wäre ich nicht in Anwesenheit in Hans Finsterer wegen dem alten Chef, bin ich eigentlich nur da. Nicht wegen dem Junior-Chef oder sonst wie jemand. Ich wäre schon längst weg. Können Sie Ihre Hackschnitzel selber machen, wo ich unbezahlt bekomme? Außer Scheiß. Materialstunden, Arbeiten, Ideen. Das was keinen anderen. Also gehe ich lieber durch die oder Bayern wieder, oder? Sind so faul zu Mülltonnen rausstellen heute. Wir sind zu faul für alles Mögliche. Die können nicht mal ihr eigenes Treppenhaus reinigen. Siehst du, in Oberbayern sind die so faul. Unglaublich. Haben Sie jemanden und wissen gar nicht, wie falsch das ist. Wie könnte man eine Pflanze einpflanzen? Ja, wundervoll. Hätte ich eine Freundin, die würde sagen, machen wir einen ganzen Garten voll. Darum müssen wir uns dann pflegen. Aber es dauert ja bei den 10 Jahre, wo eine Japanerin 1 Jahr brauchen würde. Gott, wie schlecht Deutschland geworden ist. Dank den Ausländern. Wird immer schlimmer. Bin in Bayern groß geworden. Rappelvoll mit Ausländern. Jeder Zweite ist ein Ausländer. Unglaublich. Katastrophe. Und keiner hilft in denen. Hauptsache der Deutsche hilft. Die sehen es zwar, aber denken sich, ja, das macht er schon. Das ist ganz normale Kultur und dann bescheißen sie uns, weißt. Hör mal auf. Fickt euch. Soll der Atombombenkrieg endlich beginnen? Lasst sie einfach über uns drüber fliegen. Die Amerikaner bomben uns eh nieder. Hoffentlich sterben wir bald. Danke, dass ihr uns geholfen habt auf der Baustelle mit dem Bunker bauen. Ausländer machen es nämlich nicht. Das interessiert die ja wenig. Die überleben sie nicht. Schmachfiguren. Egal, wer interessiert schon. Kein von euch. Ihr quatscht nur und tut so, als wärt ihr Multimillionäre und habt keinen Schneid. Und ich hock hier rum, Alter, mit 1000 Euro. Bin der beste Arbeiter beim Finsterer oder einer der besten Arbeiter. Und keiner kümmert sich. Wird Zeit, eine neue Firma kennenzulernen, wie ein Kugler oder so. Die bezahlen wenigstens ordentlich. Ich glaube, das ist auch eher mein Ding. Schlimm? Weichpfosten. Who cares?
So, Frechheit.
Schadensgeld. Wertschätzung 0. Sie wissen ja nicht mal, was richtig rauchen. Billig Zigarette oder Aschenberg ins Lamm machen. Besser Simon. Ah. Die sieht ja nicht aus, ne? Na, 2 Runden gehen noch. Mouse, by the way. Microphone on. Makes me so sad that the microphone is actually saying microphone off. That makes me so sad. That's so ridiculous. It says microphone's on. It says hello. Yay. Yeah. They're borrowed. They're thinking actually we are just usable or something. This crack. They know nothing about construction work. I'm so happy to have grown up actually with the Ejay, old master. Ich meine, der Chef hat daran gedacht, dass ich Geburtstag hatte. Was für eine Peinlichkeit. Wie peinlich, oder? Die Evi auch nichts geschenkt, die hat auch nicht daran gedacht. Das ist alles mein Geld. Zu wenig verdient. Keine Weihnachtsfeier, keine Sommerfeier. Gibt's wieder eine Weihnachtsfeier. Ein Jahr vertagt. 250 € verdient. Ich bin so dermaßen raus aus der Firma. Was der Versorger. ist einfach nicht mehr wert. Ihr Schlafer, erhol dich. Missgeburt. Nicht der Tage oder so. Ja, schaut eh keiner zu. Ja, ja. So ist das. 21 o'clock, 20 minutes after, 2 watchers. Nobody cares. BMW for M4. Yeah, it's actually an M4. Nobody cares. Cheers up, companions, obviously lose or lose go next stream. Tadaimasu. Oh, how I hate the world! Bureaucratic versus actually workers. If this is happening already in my compound, what in the company in here? This is never gonna be actually having a peace station. I mean, sorry for that one. So it's bureaucratic, fractions, and actually the workers. What kind of a piece of assholes, right? I am the worker. I am seeing more than the bureaucratics. But they don't care. They're ruling like bureaucratic, politics, financial. What an assholes. Normally we should not actually go to work anymore. To see, let them bleeding out, these bureaucratics. Somebody's came in next day for you in a household and actually making this done with the plaster work. With everything else on the construction work and stuff. But actually there's no worker anymore. Fuck off. Then the Chinese is maybe coming. Maybe cheaper. Yeah, blah blah. You should stop working right now in Germany. Completely. Cause the politics are so dumb as hell. We have the rights. I'm a construction worker. They don't like me. They don't like us for the construction working. Just one half ripping apart actually every ladder what they want to do, dealing down to make actually some kind of a bill charging done. Even the construction workers are dealing done. What fuckers. They don't have no idea, but they were so high intelligence to go Abitur and all this stuff. How stupid they are. I'm going to construction work. Let me know what the person wants to know and let us actually dealing done what we have to dealing doing done, and then we're watching the ladder. Wrong, 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 wrong. And then we have the navigating, materials, hours, everything else. More than 4 hours a day we dealing done with corrections because the stupid idiots on the bureaucrats don't know what we're doing and dealing done. And paying us wrong done as well. Because they want earning money more in the bureau and actually the construction worker itself. So these assholes can fuck myself. If I'm going to the bureau right now, I let them know we're working and you're just sitting down and smoking cigarettes by cigarettes and just want to make money up and up and up more, but we can't do even because we're getting older, getting faster the work done. You have no idea how a dealing done in the real world. Like you're in the military understands you and gives you a lot of money. But in construction work, they're dealing like you're just a cheap sheep. And they want to have seeing 8 times the money back in a bureau and earning 8 times more money as we dealing done in the construction work. And we have actually dealing done with the person we working with or we have to work on this construction side. And these are not. They're just seeing computer, KI, AI and just giving a fuck. They have no practicing. They're just sitting down and just saying, it's fat ass, we need more money. Work faster, work harder. And that's every day the same shit. And if you're ill, they wanna just get you out of the company. These are assholes. They have no idea how a construction work is working. They're just painting, calling, and that's it. Won't have actually the checks. What kind of a piece of shit is this? They have no actually future. They don't know about the material. They don't know nothing. These are stupid fucking persons in the bureau. Even my boss. I'm a very grown adventure guy right now in the construction work. The bureau guy, since after 30 years are thinking on the ladder that is right where we have the dealing done. They are super idiots. They have no material thinking. On the physical and ladder thinking, they don't know about nothing. I give a fuck on them. They're not cleaning our cars. They're not doing something in dealing done with everything. Das will ich jetzt einführen in der Firma, dass diese blöden Bürodamen oder Chefs die Autos sauber machen. Weil die haben keine Ahnung von Praxis, Alter. Null. Wirklich null. Und ich arbeite seit 11 Jahren schon in dieser Drecksfirma, Alter. Ehrlich gesagt, in dieser Drecksfirma. Und ich muss so viel für auch hier in einem Apartment machen, da wo ich kein Geld bekomme. Absolute asoziale Drecksfirma, Alter. Armer Chef, der sich im Grab rumdreht. Ich habe von ihm gelernt und die machen nur ihren Scheißdreck. Jetzt wird Zeit für eine Revolte, Alter. 20 Euro mehr in der Stunde oder ihr könnt mich vergessen. Ich hab die Schnauze voll. Seid der letzte Drecksverein seid ihr. Ihr kümmert euch gar nicht um die Arbeiter. Nicht um die Arbeit, ihr wollt immer nur Stunden sehen, ihr wollt das Material sehen, ihr wollt nur euer eigenes Zeug verherrlichen. Ihr Schweine. Bin weg hier, Alter. Ich werde euch so bloßstellen, ihr Firma Finsterer, ihr seid der letzte Haufen Dreck. Seitdem der alte Chef verloren gegangen ist, seid ihr der letzte Haufen Scheißhaufen. Ihr könnt Urlaub machen, wann ihr wollt, ihr nicht. Wir können nichts machen, wir müssen ständig arbeiten. Ich habe die Schnauze voll. Jetzt rede ich morgen mit Markus durch. bin weg hier. Die Firma soll pleite gehen. Sagt die Evi mal so, sagt die Renate mal so, das wird gezahlt hier, da etc. Das schreibe ich rein, wird wieder abgewandt, meine Stunden sind weg. Mittlerweile muss ich mich schon kümmern darum, dass die Hackschnitzelanlage überhaupt noch funktioniert. Jetzt weiß ich, dass es nicht mehr funktionieren wird, weil der Hans sich einen Scheißdreck gekümmert hat. Der will uns auf... Also okay, wenn du das so haben möchtest, bevor er Urlaub beendet hat, bin ich nicht mehr da. Soll jemand sich anders drum kümmern? Mauertrockenlegung, ich kümmere mich nicht mehr drum. 40 Euro in der Stunde, okay. Aber keine lepidarischen 10 Euro. Dann soll er selber machen. Das ist eine Frechheit. Der alte Chef, der weiß nicht mehr wohin im Grab. Keiner beruhigt ihn außer ich. Die haben keinen Gedanken auf die Bauarbeiten. Die wollen nur Zahlen sehen, die wollen nur irgendwelche Scheiße sehen, dass sie irgendwelche Geschäfte machen. Die sind einfach nur 0815 für die. Ja, dann mach deinen Mist doch selber, ich bin morgen nicht mehr da. Kümmere dich darum, dass ich gelöscht bin von deinem Server und deinem Scheiß. Ich war einer und bin der wichtigste Person zurzeit, der Kran führen kann, der Bagger fahren kann, der alles mögliche kann, Mauer trockenlegen kann. Wenn es dir gut tut, ich bin derjenige, der auch bis 18 Uhr da ist, wenn jemand noch was braucht. Aber du immer in deinem Büro, ne? Du verdienst wahrscheinlich 5000 Euro im Monat, wo ich gerade mal 2000 Euro verdiene. Wo ich lachen muss. Für das, was du tust. Verpiss dich doch. Komm, geh weg. War ein Fehler mit dir. Ich kann saufen, was ich will, wenn du nicht mal einen Kranführerschein hast. Wollt ihr nicht mal den Kranführerschein, Baggerführerschein? Ihr unterstützt mich null. Ich muss immer selber kaufen, damit es hier was vorwärts geht. Und ich krieg nicht mal eine Rechnung. Jedes Jahr muss ich mindestens 1000 Euro ausgeben für euch, damit es was vorwärts geht. So schaut es nämlich aus. Drecksfirma. Seitdem der alte Chef nicht mehr da ist, dein Papa, bist du 0815 geworden. Du bist nur ein Hausdrachen geworden. Ja, das war aus dem Herzen raus. Das war ein großer Fehler. Schmeiß weg das Kissen. Ich komme nach Hause zu dir mit dem Robert. Da verbrenn mir dein scheiß Haus. Das wer dich aufgebaut hat. Plus, da muss ich aber lachen. Billigfirma.